Hey, Shalom Israel. I want to jump on here and talk about praise and the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is cranial nerve number 10, and it starts in the brain, but it dives down into the body. Actually, it kind of goes right in front of the SCM muscle and tucked away between the jugular and the carotid. So just because it's in between those two very important structures, it should give you a clue of how important this nerve is. As it goes through the body, it influences the heart, the lungs, the digestive tract, and it's really involved in our parasympathetic nervous system, our rest and digest part of our nervous system. And it dampens inflammation in the body, so it's extremely anti-inflammatory. So what it does, or how it mainly works, it gathers information from our five senses and it relays that information up to the brain. It's called afferent pathway. Now, the way it's activated, if you've ever gone to a doctor and they've had a depression blade where they touch the back of your throat, the and kind of a gag reflex, that actually tests the vagus nerve. Or if you gargle really violently or sing really loud, you activate the vagus nerve. So this kind of ties into praise. In Psalm 113 verse 3, it says, "From the rising of the sun to its going down, the name of Yahuwah is praised." And there's a lot of other scriptures like Psalm 1 that talks about the blessed man is the one who meditates on the Torah, delights in the Torah. He meditates on it day and night. In Joshua 1, it also says that these words should be in your mouth, shouldn't depart, and you should meditate on them day and night. And there's many other scriptures to talk about gratitude, having thanksgiving, singing, worshiping, praising the Almighty in our work day, when the sun comes up and when it goes down. And this is really important for two reasons. Number one, it frames your day. Since we do have an enemy that's trying to kill, steal, and destroy our lives, it's important that we get grounded right off the bat, and that Messiah has come to give us life and life more abundantly. And so when we get our mind focused on Him and we get our words, speaking the words of life and actually praising Him or singing to Him, whether it's just like thank you, thank you, thank you, or hallelujah, 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 and really get after it for 2 minutes or plus, it activates that vagus nerve, especially the vibration of the throat. It activates the vagus, and what it does, it grounds our physical body. You know, it's again anti-inflammatory. It puts us in a state of calm. If you have anxiety, this is great. But spiritually, it kind of ascends us. It connects us to the Almighty. So it's a very powerful, simple thing you can do every morning and evening, is just give praise. And if you want to look at a psalm that kind of helps explain this, besides 113 verse 3, is Psalm 100. So hopefully you know a little bit more about praise and the vagus nerve. Shalom.